Everything you see, everything you touch, everything you taste, everything around you, everything inside of you is matter. Hi, I'm Max O'Rourke, and I'm here to teach you some of the forms of matter and the changes they undergo. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. There are three main forms of matter: the solid, the liquid, and the gas. Now that's a solid.
A solid has a definite shape and a definite volume. The particles in a solid are closely locked in position and can only vibrate. This is how the particles in a solid move.
Liquid! And the liquid!
A liquid has no definite shape but a definite volume. The particles in a liquid are more loosely connected and can collide with and move past one another.
These are how the particles in a liquid move.
Look at all that gas! Wow! Gas!
A gas has no definite volume and no definite shape. The particles in a gas are free to move independently and collide frequently. These are how the particles in a gas move.
Okay, that's good.
That's good. Welcome back to me. I'm your host, Max O'Rourke. Now that you've learned about the three states of matter, do you think they just change automatically from one to another? No! You'd be wrong! Let's find out and see these changes in state. Melting!
Melting is a change from a solid to a liquid. During melting, the particles in the solid vibrate so fast that they break free from their fixed positions.
Oh my God! Look at that! That was just a full ice cube. Now it's liquid water. That's called melting.
These are how the particles' motions change during melting.
Stop it.
Freezing is the change from liquid to solid. During freezing, the particles in a liquid move so slowly that they begin to take on fixed positions. Over time, the liquid water turns into solid ice.
Look at that. Frozen solid.
These are how the particles change during freezing. Vaporization is the change from a liquid to a gas. During vaporization, the particles in a liquid gain enough energy to move independently, forming a gas. As you can see, some of the water has condensed to the top of the lid as tiny droplets. Condensation is the change from a gas to a liquid. During condensation, the particles in a gas lose enough thermal energy to form a liquid. Here's how the particles change during vaporization.
This is how the particles change during condensation. Now, thanks to me, you have learned about the states of matter and the changes they undergo. Now don't forget this, Maxwell.
Trip the droplet.
Trip the
Young
droplet.
Ride Walk.
Kyle. Matt.